Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pranjali. I will going to tell national symbols of India. There are 17 national symbols of India. These represent the culture and nature of India's national identity. Here is the list of national symbols of India that one should be proud of. National flag Tiranga, National anthem Jana Gana Mana, National calendar Shaka calendar, National song Vande Mataram, National emblem of India. National fruit mango, National river Ganga, National animal Bengal tiger, National tree banyan tree, National aquatic animal dolphin, National bird peacock, National currency rupees, National reptile king cobra, National heritage animal Indian elephant, National flower lotus, National vegetable pumpkin of elegance, National pledge. Thank you. Jai Hind.